a starfish with a piece of hot dog on it. And that's Brando. And he is deathly afraid of starfishes. So he will not go near the hot dog for his life, or starfish for his life.
Yay! It ended it like 20 seconds ago, but.
Squeaky boy!
It's pretty sad.
I'm gonna make a creepy squeaky.
I've heard of some weird phobias, but not starfish phobia.
Listen to this.
It's not scary of it anymore.
Yeah, but move it. Put it in front of his face and twitch it. Like, let him sniff it and then twitch. He's deathly afraid of this.
Right
It's not even funny anymore.
Right
It's just plain pathetic.
This time I actually have a hot dog. Right now.
Yeah, so watch out starfishes and your dogs.